Today, we're going to answer your questions. Right, Uncle? He's quiet today. Melanie from South Dakota says, I was stung by a jellyfish, so my friend peed on my leg. Does that really help, or was I peed on for nothing? No, don't pee on your leg. Now, there are different kinds of jellyfish. Certain jellyfish can cause other problems. Some people can have an anaphylactic reaction to the jellyfish. So I think getting looked at by a medical professional would help. And try to get that memory out of your head, because that's gonna be something you're not gonna forget for a long time. Joe says, do expiration dates on medicine really matter? Well, do expiration dates really matter on food, like on milk, or on different products? Yeah, it really matters. You take a medication that's expired, it might not be as effective. So more or less, yes, expiration dates on medicine do really matter. Right, Uncle? Okay. I crashed my moped and have a lot of road rash. How can I heal faster? So, what he means by road rash, I'm assuming, is that when he crashed on the road, he scraped up all his skin, probably his arms and his legs. So I think it's important for you to make sure you clean your wound, soap and water, pat it dry. How can you make it heal faster? Well, yeah, keep it clean. And sometimes we'd recommend putting antibiotic ointment on it and some other things, but that's my advice. My coworker tested positive for COVID. Should I get tested? Definitely if you're having symptoms. Say you're having, like I said, a cough, a fever, sore throat, etc., which are signs of having COVID-19 infection. Yeah, you should get tested for sure. But irrelevant if you've had symptoms or not, you should get tested because of your exposure, especially if it's been more than 15 minutes. I hope and pray that you don't have it, because you never know what it can lead to. All right, next question. Got nailed in the head by my surfboard and blacked out. Should I get that checked out? Whenever you sustain a head injury, meaning you get hit in the head with some object, what happens is the brain kinda gets bruised. And if you bruise the brain hard enough, you're gonna be messed up. And if you don't get it looked at and evaluated, you could even die. Because if you bruise the brain hard enough, it gets a real bruise and it can bleed. And if it bleeds enough, because it's an enclosed system, there's no place for the blood to go, next thing you know, you don't wake up in the morning. And just be more careful. And hopefully you're still awake and you get checked. But please go get checked.